Hi everybody! Welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited to do Storytime with you today. Are you guys ready? Awesome! Alright, this week's theme is Woodland Animals. We are going to be reading 2 books that are about animals that you can find in the woods. Our first book is We're Going on a Bear Hunt, retold by Michael Rosen, illustrated by Helen Oxenbury, and published by Simon and Schuster. Now, I think you guys might know the words to this one, so don't be afraid to sing along as we go, all right? Great. Okay, here we go. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, grass. Long wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a river, a deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Splish, splosh, splish, splosh, splish, splosh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Squelch, 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 squelch. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a forest. A big dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Stumble trip, stumble trip, stumble trip. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Oh, woo, woo, woo. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? One shiny wet nose, 2 big furry ears, 2 big goggly eyes. It's a Bear! Quick, back through the cave. Tiptoe, 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 back through the storm. Whoo, 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 whoo. Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squelch, 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 squelch. Back through the river. Swash, splush, splash, blush, splash, splush. Back through the grass. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Get to our front door. Open the door. Up the stairs. Oh no, we forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs. Shut the door. Back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Into bed. Under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again. All right, our next book is If You Give a Moose a Muffin, written by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond, and published by Harper Collins Children's Books. If you give a moose a muffin, he'll want some jam to go with it. So you'll bring out some of your mother's homemade blackberry jam. When he's finished eating the muffin, he'll want another, and another, and another. When they're all gone, he'll ask you to make more. You'll have to go to the store to get some muffin mix. He'll want to go with you. When he opens the door and feels how chilly it is, he'll ask to borrow a sweater. When he puts the sweater on, he'll notice one of the buttons is loose. He'll ask for a needle and thread. He'll start sewing. The button will remind him of the puppets his grandmother used to make. So he'll ask for some old socks. He'll make sock puppets. When they're done, he'll want to put on a puppet show. He'll need some cardboard and paints. Then he'll ask you to help make the scenery. When the scenery is finished, he'll get behind the couch, but his antlers will stick out, so he'll ask for something to cover them up. You'll bring him a sheet from your bed. When he sees the sheet, he'll remember he wants to be a ghost for Halloween. He'll try it on and shout, "Boo!" It'll scare him so much he'll knock over the paints. So he'll use the sheet to clean it up. Then he'll ask for some soap to wash it out. He'll probably want to hang the sheet up to dry. He'll go outside to put it on the clothesline. When he's out in the yard, he'll see your mother's blackberry bushes. Seeing the blackberries will remind him of her jam. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him the jam, He'll want a muffin to go with it. All right. Thank you guys for coming to story time with me. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. We also have some Storytime kits available at the Fairfield County Library. These kits are full of fun activities that you can do, and they also relate to what we read today. This week in the kits, we have a muffin recipe, we have a coloring sheet, and we have a craft. It'll be pretty cool. This week's craft is binoculars to help you on your bear hunt. All right, if you would like one of these kits, all you have to do is come down to Fairfield County Library and tell the person at the front desk that you would like a Storytime kit for Group A. You need to make sure to say that you want the kit for Group A because we have multiple Storytimes happening every week and each one has a different kit. So if you get the wrong one, it won't have any of the stuff I told you about. And it'll be about something completely different. Okay? Awesome. Once again, my name's Miss Nina, and I'm excited to see you next time. All right, bye!